Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at open comedones in a video titled Blackhead, Blackheads, More Blackheads. First, we have this incredible ear pop. The amateur pop uses a comedone extractor. Get yours through the Amazon link below. That link will get you to the best kit you can find. Next up is a pimple being removed with tweezers. Ah, beautiful. This cone-shaped extractor annihilates some clogged pores. Click like for the popper, who's even wearing gloves. Here's another pop out of India. Amazing image this is. Next up is another ear blackhead. This looks like it would hurt to remove. Before we wrap things up, do you think these are just clogged pores or are they blackheads? Comment below. Thanks for watching.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thinergy. Thinergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and the form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thinergy, and I think it'll work for you.